Hello guys, so in this video we're gonna select a metal from this periodic table. So we're gonna go for aluminium, which is in group 3, period number 3. So guys, here is an atomic structure of an aluminium. Aluminium has 14 neutrons, 13 protons and 13 electrons. As you see, the number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. The atomic number of an aluminium is 13 and its mass number is 27. And here is the orbit structure of it. And the first shell has 2 electrons and the second shell consists of 8 electrons, and the third shell has 3 electrons, which is the valence electrons.